Hey guys, guess what? Now you guys can get a free Thanksgiving dinner on me. All right. I'll give you discounts. I'll give you a lot of coupons. I'll give you a lot of free cash and food. So now what? I'm giving you free Thanksgiving dinner. Okay. So now you subscribe, you hit the like button. I made a Walmart video. I made a Nevada video. All right. Review videos. So you guys check them out. I got many more discounts. But now these two companies are teaming up together to give you guys a free Thanksgiving dinner. Okay. That's 100% cash back, free, completely free. 9 offers. All you got to do is download a browser extension. Right. So go to Ibotta.com, it'll show you up right there, get the browser extension, add it to your Chrome, and you'll be able to qualify for these 9 items, all right? If you don't have a computer, don't worry about it. You can send out an email, it'll tell you right there, and you'll get you'll actually be able to do it through your phone app, okay? But you can see a little video right there how the browser extension work. You can choose from hundreds of offers, watch your savings stack up. You could just shop as usual, we'll find you a real price to match, and you can get a discount and save on groceries and other ways, over 800 things items, so you can actually save money, right? This is great. You see my videos, you get discounts, you get like $10 off, you get $40 off, you get cash back. Everything is great. All right, 800 sites, a lot of items to choose from. Now you get a browser extension, so you can get yourself a free Thanksgiving meal, right? So go ahead and click add to Chrome, add to Edge, add to anything, whatever browser extension you have. They're all Chrome browser extensions, so they're going to do to all browsers that you have, and just download it. Once it finishes downloading, it's going to pop up right there in the top where it says IB, all right, Ibotta. It stands for Ibotta. It's going to open a new website, and it's going to ask you to, to sign up. So go ahead and sign up. Free Thanksgiving dinner. Remember, you have to have an account already. So sign up. You'll get your Thanksgiving dinner. It's 100% free cash back, over 9 offers, and I'm going to show you guys step by step on what kind of items to get and how to actually use it, right? So go ahead and sign up. Great, now you all signed up, right? I was going to tell you right there after you watch the video, it's going to tell you 3 steps on how to actually use it with your extension, just like anything else, other extensions that you have. But you go to a retailer, you see supported retailers, the same thing as in the app. So you go to www.walmart.com, let's say, for example. You link or activate, so you activate your Walmart account. So in other words, you go to the Ibotta app, you select Walmart, and you activate, you link your Walmart account, right? And then you just shop and earn. Email, password, it's already linked that fast. Then you shop and earn, right? So it's just like my other video. All you gotta do is add the coupons. So we're gonna select right here, add the coupons. Instead of a plus, you add them. It turns to a check. That's how you add a coupon, and you're gonna be able to actually get cash back after you make your purchase, right? So it's gonna be completely 100% free, right? So on my other video, you could get meat for free. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get a Thanksgiving free dinner, right? All right, so it says right here, this is a Ibotta extension on your browser. So this is on my computer, right? It says right here, search. You can search on Walmart, a list, all your lists they previously made, all the purchases they previously made, and your bonuses. So any bonuses that you know that I explained in the other video that you can make, such as buy a Coke, get the second one free, buy 2 Cokes, get $1, buy a Powerade, buy other things like today, for example, we're gonna see buy a turkey. All right. So when you see it all from Walmart, you see a turkey, you buy a turkey that's cost $9.98, and you're gonna get it completely free. All right. All these items cost that price or maybe less. Again, you can't get a more expensive price because it might not work. But if it says right there, any variety or any ounce, any size, then you can go ahead and pick it, right? You'll get that percent cash back, you get that price cash back, and you can press plus, you go check it, or you can just add all 9 free items to your list, right? Okay, great. So after you've done that, now you know you're ready. Just go ahead and shop to my store. For example, we're going to select Butterball Turkey Roast. Now you got options, right? Now the most we could get cash back is $9.98, right? So if you get these 2 items, whether it's savory, herb, or Cajun style, you'll get $9.98 cash back. Now if you want another class of turkey, it says right here 3 pounds or whole turkey, right? So that's 3 pounds or more, right? And you'll get $9.98 cash back. You can pick $9.98 and you get these for free if you want. Again, they're frozen, they're healthy, they're brand new, only while supplies last, and you get it completely free, right? If you get a whole turkey, then that means you'll get 9.88 back. All right. Now it has to be what about turkey roast, right? It has to be a certain brand. Like for example, the next one says great value favorite stuffing mix. It's only 82 cents back. We're gonna check it out. And unfortunately, it's out of stock, right? So if it's out of stock, you can read the description. It says any variety, 6-ounce box only, right? So this is 6-ounce box. It's only one style, one class, but unfortunately it's out of stock. Don't worry, you can use it on next purchase. Hopefully they restock. But if they don't, you cannot pick a similar. It has to be the same brand only. Turkey didn't have a brand, but this one has this great value, right? So like the next one says 8-on-hand mashed potatoes, right? Check it out. It's for mashed potatoes. Now we got different styles, different classes, a lot of varieties. And it says right here, 4-ounce pouch. But we're gonna read it says 8-ounce only, right? So any variety, so any style, any ingredient style from the same brand, but it has to be 8 ounces only, right? As I check right here, now I'm going to great value. I'm going to different styles, but we can only choose idle hand, right? So we're gonna check right there. It says 4-ounce, $1 cash back. You're gonna get 188 cash back. So I mean, if it costs, I mean, it costs $1. So if it costs $1, you could get 88 cents plus with your bank account. I mean, to plus cash back, and it's gonna cost you a lot less. Which is great. So you can always do that, but it has to be the same style and everything. This it says right here, 8-ounce, 166. Awesome. We're gonna buy that one. Sounds delicious. It's not the same as the picture, but it says any variety, right? There's something similar. Now again, we're gonna go for the next one, right? It says 98 cashback, Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. We're gonna type it up right there again. See if they have it. Again, this is only Walmart, right? But it's similar with other websites, right? So you can do the same thing with other websites. So you see right there, 98 cents. The other ones are a little more expensive. Now it says any variety, which means you can pick any style. It says 10.5 ounce. Now you can pick the second one if you want, but you won't get the, it's not 100% free, right? So we're gonna pick the first one to make it 100% free just for this video. But if you wish, go for the second one, 148 more. You just have to pay 48 cents more, right? Cool. So now this is next one, McCormick gravy packet, right? $1 with 12 cents cash back. This one you only have 6 days left, so check it out. 6 days only. All right, do it as soon as you get this, as soon as you see the video. So hopefully you can still get the coupon, right? The discount, so it could be 100% free, right? So we're gonna check right here. We have a bunch of them. It says 88 ounces pouch. All right, so we're gonna check it out. Check it out. Now we have both of them, so we could pick any one that we want. Okay, so we're checking and we're going to pick this one. Anyone that we want. It has to be any variety, as long as it meets the criteria. Next one is great value cranberry sauce. Awesome. All right, 98 cents back. That's what we're going to get. Now it says great value only, right? The first one, 98. We're going to buy something that's 92 cents. Is there 6 cents difference? But that means we're going to get it in our bank account. So 6 cents for free, right? And that's what I'm trying to explain to you guys, that you're going to get actually more money if this is the situation, okay? So that's a great thing that Walmart has them cheaper, because we're going to get more money out of it for free. All right, this is 100% free. Next one is great value fine green beans. Awesome. Again, great value. We got different ones. We're going to read. It says 12-ounce big frozen bag only, right? You can pick the first one, you can pick the second one, and again, the difference doesn't matter. We're still going to get it 100% free. French original crispy fried onions. Awesome. All right. It says 2.8 ounce only. Unfortunately, we only have a 6 ounce, so I guess we can't get this one as well. All right. So I mean, you could save for your next order. Hopefully they restock. It says right here 2.8. A lot of people already bought them, but again, it's Walmart. It's a big warehouse. You're gonna get a restock by the end of the week or something. They don't have an expiration date. Only the other one had an expiration date, but this one also has 4 days left for a Coke. So it's 174, 189 difference. You could get a difference of what, 15 cents, and you could get that extra in your account, right? So you get what? So far we get 21 cents extra for free. All right. Plus the free meals, free turkey, free Thanksgiving dinner, which is completely awesome. No one will do this. You go to foodbank, you go to food pantry, like in all my other videos. You check the description below, because I have the list right there. You could go in LA, but I'm pretty sure in your state you can find the same thing. But if you live in a Walmart, you want to go pick up at a Walmart, you can get a free Thanksgiving meal. All right, completely free. So see, right here we got 7 items for $17.46. You could buy other additional things if you want. You could get more coupons from Ibotta if you want, but this turkey meal, Thanksgiving meal, it's going to be completely free. All right. So this is what I want to show you guys. You can order it. You already know I have Walmart Plus. So that means I could pick any day of the week, and actually offered me today, if I want to get it today, I could actually pay $10 extra to get it delivered within a couple of hours today, right? But since I don't want to pay extra, I bought the membership. I got a $10 off using the Ibotta app membership. First user, you get $10 extra off, So if you never order from Walmart, you get a $10 extra off. And right here it says $0 shipping, all right? So it's not going to cost me shipping at all. I don't have to pay an extra cent out of my pocket since I already bought the membership for, let's say, $88, right? Which is great. It's for the whole year, unlimited delivery. That means any time of the day, any time of the week, you can actually purchase it, buy it, and it'll be completely free, all right? So guess what? Get your Walmart Plus membership, download the Ibotta app, combine them both, get super discounts, do me a favor, get me the money, and I'll get you more discounts like this. I'll get you the money and get you free things like this awesome Thanksgiving meal. If you guys have a promo code, again, first users, you'll get a $10 off promo code. So check it out. Again, the links are down below. So check them out. So yes, 9 offers, 100% cash back. All you got to do is download the browser extension. Download it. It's be right there. You see the little tab right there. It helps you out in your computer. If not, you can always go to your Apple. You can always go to your Apple phone, Android phone. Use your Ibotta app and send them an email saying that you don't have a computer. And all you got to do is type in your email, and they'll give you the offers in your Ibotta app right away. Again, thanks a lot, guys. Please subscribe, hit the like button, share it because I give you more discounts, more offers, more videos, awesome videos for free money, free food, and free everything that you could think of. All right. So check it out. All the descriptions, all the links are down below for the extra money. So check it out. Do me the favor. I'll do you the favor. Thank you.